will discuss with the human male reproductive system in this video. Right. Human male reproductive system. It is located in the pelvic region. The complete reproductive system of the male located in the pelvic region. You know what are the major components of the male reproductive system, which are comprises pair of testes along with accessory ducts, glands, that means male reproductive glands plus external genitalia. These are all the major components of the male reproductive system. What are they? Pair of the testes along with the accessory ducts, accessory glands, that means reproductive glands, along with external genitalia. So these are all the major parts of the human male reproductive system. Now, the whole system, that means what the testes, you know, the first one, the pair of the testes, are located outside of the abdominal cavity. Testes are located outside of the abdominal cavity within a pouch called scrotum. Within a pouch called scrotum. You know, there is a question. Why the whole system is kept outside of the abdominal cavity? The question is very simple. In order to maintain the 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade lower than the body temperature. That means what? Scrotum temperature less than the body temperature. 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade lower than the body temperature. In order to maintain this much, the whole system is out of the abdominal body cavity. Normally, the testis, that means it is a plural. Testis is a singular. Each testis is oval shaped, 4 to 5 centimeter long, always length, whereas 2 to 3 centimeter width in nature. So the testis is a singular, testis is a plural. Now, each testis composed of 250 compartments. What we call it as testicular lobules. Testicular lobules. Now we come to this picture, this chart. You can able to see that sectional view of the testis. Sectional view of the testis. Each testicular compound, that means testicular lobules, consist of 1 to 3 number of a small convoluted tubules. What we call it as seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules. How many numbers are there? 1 to 3. Seminiferous tubules. That means sperm producing tubules. How many? 1 to 3. Right. Now see these compartments. In this inside of the seminiferous tubules, there are two kinds of cells. Number one, sperm producing cells. That means spermatogonia making cells. Now the second type of the cells, what we call it as, we say Sertoli cells. They are going to nourish the spermatogonial cells. So the inside of the seminiferous tubule, there are two kinds of cells, which are number one, spermatogonial cell. That means it's performing or it's going to make the sperms, whereas another cells are called Sertoli cells. These cells are going to nourish the spermatogonial cells. So these are the two cells found in the seminiferous tubule inside. Whereas in between the seminiferous tubule, there are some cells, what we call it as lytic cells. That means discovered name is lytic. Whereas it is also known as interstitial cells. Interstitial cells or lytic cells. These cells are very, very important because these are all the cells going to make a male sex hormone. One of the main sex hormone, what we call it as androgen. Whereas these cells also providing another type of the cell, what we call it as immunologically competent cells. So these are all the cells found in the interstitial cells. The interstitial halves produce the hormones, what we call it as androgen, male hormone. Whereas another cells are known as immunologically competent cells. So this is the condition of the inside of the testicular compartment. That means the one particular testicular lobule. Now we will go to the next level. What is the next one is accessory ducts in the next video.